Hi, my name is Jennalie Dalen, and I am with my model, Erin, for our age management category on week 1. And I am so excited to work with Erin because I have actually known her for 12, almost 13 years, which is amazing. So this is going to be a really fun journey to do this age management process with her. And so I've talked to Erin a little bit and asked her, what are your main goals with your skin? What do you see when you look in the mirror? And I'll let her share a little bit about her skin goals.
I'm trying to be late to the game preventative for aging. Wrinkles around my eyes and some in my forehead and this kind of like droopy jowl thing. And then I just in general want to not wait until it's irrecoverable, and I am so excited to see how you can help me, and I promise to be a good client.
She's gonna be great. So what I'm really excited too about is that Erin is not currently doing anything for her skin other than washing with water, and then SPF. And so this is going to be really wonderful to help really get some good nutritive, reparative ingredients into her skin, really rebalance her skin's lipid barrier, her microbiome. We're going to work on doing some firming and toning, tone balancing, line reduction, all these amazing things. It's going to be pretty incredible.
Awesome.
And yeah, it's going to be a fun journey, and I can't wait to see where your skin goes.
Me too. Thank you.